Use the oil bent filter. Use the oil bent filter. How to use the oil bent filter? By the way, the oil bent filters lets you transform a photo into an image with the visual appearance of a classic oil painting, by the way. And with a few simple sliders, you can adjust the amount of stylization, brush and scale, and cleanliness, and other parameters, like the next image and next screenshot. This image, by the way, explain for you. Transform a photograph above into a classic oil painting and below. Transform a photograph above and into a classic oil painting in blue image, AMP. And look at this image carefully. A closer look at the painting and how to work with the oil paint filter. How to work with the oil paint filter. You should select filter firstly, then select Stylize, then select oil paint to use the filter, and you can also adjust the following setting for the filter. And what about brush sliders? Brush sliders, we have two options here now. Stylization is meaning adjusts the style of the strokes and ranging from the double look at 0 to smooth strokes at 10. And what about Cleanliness? Cleanliness is meaning that adjusts the length of the strokes and ranging from shortest and choppiest at 0 to longest and fluid at 10. And what about scale? What's the meaning of scale? Scale is meaning adjusts the relief or appearance, thickness or of the paint, and moving from a thin coat at 0 to a thick coat and giving luscious Vincent van Gogh-style paint globes at 10. And so what about Bristle Detail? Bristle Detail is meaning that adjusts how much of the paintbrush and hair indentation in its appearance and moving from soft at 0 to leaving strong grooves at 10. And what about lighting sliders? Lighting sliders is meaning that we have two options here now. Angle is meaning adjusts the incidence angle of the light and none the brush stroke. This setting, by the way, is important if you are incorporating the oil painting into another skin. And so what about shine? Shine is meaning that adjusts the brightness of the light source and the amount of bounce of the paint's surface. And by the way, if the oil paint filter is disabled, you have to check if your computer supports Open CL v1.1 or higher. For more information, you should to see the GPU FAQ. And on computers with AMD graphics processors running Mac OS X10.11 and later, you can also leverage Apple's Metal Graphics Acceleration framework for use with the oil paint filter, by the way. And you should to follow these steps also. We have 4 steps now. Step number 1, you should to select preferences, then select performance. Step number 2, you should to ensure that you can't use graphics processor is selected. Step number 3, open the advanced graphics processor setting dialog box. And step number 4, you should select use native operating system GPU acceleration.